All right, guys. So we are actually excited to announce, we are going to wrap up this beast. So this customer chose to rebuild the engine. We rebuilt complete top to bottom. As you guys know, it's a supercharge. And customer was just asking about the wrap. We started it last month. So we refer a great one, which we already did on 3 different cars. And this is the 4th one going to be. So that's a white one. Range Rover, we're going to turn it to a gloss black, and with this forged carbon hood and roof and the rear trunk. So this thing gonna be look insane once it's gonna be done. And also the customer, they want to change that little noise on the muffler. So without putting a lot of money, like aftermarket exhaust on this 5-liter supercharge, we try to customize a couple of exhausts from the mid of the section. We'll show you how it sounds, but it's going to be end of this video, not right now, because I'm going to try to finish it up this and the quarter panels on this one. It's going to be black with forged carbon front, 2-tone color. Customer like it because they already see 3 of the different cars we did it in the previously. If you guys do have something same, you have a beast car and you want to transform the color with the engine rebuild, hit us up, book your appointment, on to the next car. Two more projects. One, we got this 2014 Dodge Caravan. Came up from another place and got a brake line leak. So we're going to fix this one. If you got a brake line leak, especially in this kind of weather with a lot of snow, do not drive it, tow it to a professional hand. So we're going to fix the brake line on this one. And finally, we got a couple of stuff for this S10, and we are going to install it probably next videos. So stay tuned with us. On to the next car. So a quick update to all my Mini owners. We got this beautiful 2016 Mini Cooper. It's not a turbo, it's a regular engine. So it's here for a transmission clutch replacement, which is pretty common on the manual Minis. So we work on those ones just to let all our clients and the viewers know that if you guys have any of the Mini Coopers, doesn't matter what year it is, if it needs the clutch or a transmission, manual, I repeat, clutch, dual mass, this one is famous with the dual mass flywheel. We work on those. We recondition those ones. You don't have to buy brand new for almost 3,300 plus taxes from Mini. We can recondition that thing under a friendly budget. Plus, we're going to put the new clutch. As this customer, they want to sell this car and they want to put the clutch on this thing with the resurfacing that dual mass flywheel. We're going to do that thing on this one also. Last year, we did 3 of Minis like the same one. There was similar years to that. So if you guys do have any of the Minis, feel free to give us a call. We work on every single part on this car. And that's it for this car. On to the next car. So we just wrapped up this 2022 Chrysler 300. So this is the last years of this 300. One of the kind with a 3.6 liter, and this car sits at 88 clicks right now. So we changed the all 4 brakes as this customer is migrating to another province and they want this car to be tip top before they're going to leave the province. So we did a couple of fluid services, oil changes, other fluids. Also, we changed the all 4 brakes as this is a special edition on the 300. It comes with a red caliper all along from back to the front. So if you guys do have the same cars and you want the brake services or any of the fluid services on a new car, you can give us a call, book your appointment. We're happy to help you out. We have a larger inventory for the performance brakes on this one and authentically the Mopar fluids. So feel free to give us a call, book your appointment. On to the next one. the cold weather, especially this minus 28 degrees. That's what today is. If your car needs a engine heater, we install that one. So this customer came in for specifically that reason. They go to the Kia, and the Kia tell about 15 days delay in the part. We have in stock. So if you have a newer Kia, like this is a 2025 Kia Seltos, only 20 clicks on this car. And this customer is migrating to another province, which is extremely cold than here. They're gonna be minus 40 degrees, that's what they said. And we are going to install a engine heater on this one, plus they're looking for a car starter too. And also they want to do all the mandatory Kia services authentically. That's what we do, and that's what we are famous for. We are going to done it today, as this car fluids are done now. We're just waiting for that engine heater. It's going to be here probably an hour, and this car is going to be ready for the customer to pick it up by tomorrow. So if you guys do have the same car or any other car you want to install some customized parts, feel free to give us a call, book your appointment. On to the next car. Anyone who owns a Dodge Durango, like this is 2021 and it's a GT, so it doesn't matter you have a GT, RT or SRT. If you have a Dodge Durango shaped like this and one of your bulb or the LED outer is not working, you need to replace the complete light, or you can shop around the people who open it up and fix it up, because this Nano Gray GT, it's a 3.6 liter, came here just because this light partially not working. So this LED right here on the left side is not working. So the customer want to fix it, but when we open it up, there is no access from the back either to do anything on it. So the best way to fix this thing is to buy a new light. So the customer, they end up buying the new light. So here is the new light for this one, left side. You can check it out. So that is the only option Dodge Durango owners have it, if your LED or bulbs are not working on this one. And it's pretty common these days on this ones. I don't know if there's any recall on these ones or not, but if you guys do want any of the light change from us on your Durango, feel free to give us a call or book your appointment. Also, this thing was hit from this side, so we're going to fix the fog light too. The fog light was out from the locks. That also we're going to change it. A lot of time we got a call for body work. We don't do any body work. We can only help you out if we need to replace the bumper. If any of the part need to get replaced without paint, sand, or anything else, we can replace it, but we can fix it. We can paint it. So that's how this case is. We're going to put the new light here and put back the bumper, and customer will be ready to pick it up. So if you guys do have any other problem similar like this, give us a call, book your appointment. On to the next car. All right, guys, so after the rebuild on this beautiful 5-liter supercharged, pretty excited to take it out with this two-tone wrap. So the trunk is finished today, and the front hood is finished. So we are just working on a body. There's a lot of work on this truck need to be done. A lot of dents on this one, and somebody did the previous wrap with a lot of dents underneath, and they cover up with a putty. And the putty, we're going to take it out right now, and we're going to put the proper filler on top of here, and then we're going to wrap it. There's no paint, just a wrap. So we're going to make it looks like a 2013, 14, the brand new ones. So that's how it's going to look, the wrap with the two-tone color. If you guys do want the similar thing on your car to restore a color to make it look new, give us a call, book your appointment. Thanks for watching our exclusive videos. Subscribe, press the bell icon for the more videos. Thank you.